With this being my third labor and delivery, I wanted to share what I'm packing in my hospital bag that I have found helpful. Obviously, bring comfy clothes for you, your spouse, or your support partner, and for your baby. Also bringing a delivery robe and a baby swaddle set to take pictures in the hospital. And don't forget snacks. Some other more unique items include a comb. Next is Mary Ruth's melatonin. I share more about why in my stories. Next is a white noise sound machine and earplugs. Hospitals are so noisy, so get some well-deserved sleep with some peace and quiet. Also a baby shusher. This is a miracle worker on helping soothe the baby and helping baby fall asleep better. I have my letterboard for pictures of announcing baby's name, weight, and birthday. I also have a TENS unit to help alleviate pain during labor, especially back pain. Next is my battery operated fan, my phone charger, and my camera. Okay, one of the products that I have not used in previous labor deliveries that I'm excited to use this time is Perk Energy. My favorite flavors are the Mexican hot chocolate and Dutch hot cocoa. Perk Energy has also recently made changes to make their formula taste and help you feel even better. Okay, head on over to my stories for more helpful links and recommendations, and tell me what is the #1 item you have found helpful to pack in a labor and delivery bag.